Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to build multiple band layer in a QGIS, or you can say how to do the false color composition or how to do the merge in a QGIS. So I have a total 1 2 3 4 5 6 band in my layer panel, and I want to merge all this band in a single band, and after that I want to do the multiple you can say the color composite or false color composite or multiple false color composite from the satellite image. So for that you just go to raster and then go to miscellaneous, go to build virtual raster, then from this input layer select all, then click on OK. Then you should check this place each input file into separate band. And this is very important. Okay, then you can write 0 in no data value. Okay, then go to this one and click on save to file, and now I want to write the merge, or you can say FCC. Okay, false color composition I can also write FCC. Okay, then click on save, then click on run. Okay, then okay, now this is the merge file. What is merge file? If I uncheck all of these 6 and select on, click here and click remove layer. Okay, remove. Now if I go to here properties, if I go to the symbology and from the render type multiple color, if I uncheck, you can see all these band 6. So select band 5 here, band then 4, and then band 3. Okay, click here, apply, and okay. So you can see here the magic of this activity. Okay, this is the magic of this activity. Okay, so this is a multiple or multi-band activity in QGIS. Okay, or this is also a activity of merge, how to merge all the file into single band. Okay, now if I go to click here, if I go any kind of false color composition, I want to this one, select 6. Okay, now you can see the color also already changed, 6 4 3. If I go to here, if I want to change, I want to select 2. These are the only false color composition. Okay, though it is look like different. Again, if I go to properties, if I go select this 4 and I want to select 5, click apply, and okay, the color again change. Okay, so this is the activity, this is known as the false color composition. Okay, now you can see very well this all the green areas actually showing vegetation cover and the agricultural field. Okay, band 4 5 2 like this. So you can play with this properties or the symbology multiple color band. You can play from according to your the satellite image. Okay, again I want to see the 2 5 2 4 and to select this 5. Okay, and apply, and okay, this again the color changes. So this actually called as false color composition. You can assign any color to show it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more updates.